Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the difference between a theme and a template in WordPress. Okay, so some people are confusing the whole thing. They'll be like, okay, what's a theme and what's a template? So WordPress difference between theme and template. Okay, WordPress themes comes in a package containing many files. We talked about that already. Okay, so a theme brings new view to your website. It makes it look beautiful. We showed you how theme works. We even added a new theme. While a theme controls the appearance of your entire site, template is typically only affect the piece of content, such as a post or page that they have been applied to. Okay, so if we go here to our WordPress under appearance, you're going to see theme. Okay, but you're not going to see a template here. Oftentimes, where you're going to see a template is under post, for instance, or page. So maybe you're talking about a particular topic. You can decide that, okay, I want this post to use this particular template. It's not all theme that it comes with. It comes with some and it doesn't come with some. And sometimes it depends on the editor you're using. If you're using the Gutenberg or block editor, sometimes you see that it shows up that template. Some theme comes with template allowing you to switch between one template and the other, while others do not allow you. So let's switch to block editor and see the if this particular art theme has template functionality. Like I said, not all theme gives you that option. So you will see it somewhere around here, just as you have stick to the top of the block, pending review, just as you have author here or something. So here we have active elements, all element, block post with layout, post header, okay, categories, tags, featured image except discussion, okay, and then this video to know, okay, this does not have templates. Okay, there are some you're going to see visibly where they show templates. They say what template do you want to use for this particular post or page. Then you choose the template you want to use there. Something like this, you select, you see different template, default layout template, block layout template, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys, so that is basically WordPress difference between theme and template. And that will be all for now in this video, and I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.